How to create a professional website on Wix Mobile. To create a professional website, go to the Wix.com website first. In here, it will ask you some questions such as, who are you creating website for? You either choose the option, for myself, my business or friend, or the other choices, for a client as a freelancer or agency. After you answer that one, here's another question for you that they will ask. What's the best way for you to get started? You need to choose in those 4 choices to keep proceeding. Then, wait for a moment and it will ask you another question of what type of website do you want to create. Then, type something about what type do you want, for example I chose kind of fashion. And if you're done choosing on what tile do you want, just click continue next to your choices. Wait for a bit moment for the loading. Then, after that wait, here's it should show you now. In this part, you can now set up your store. After you set it up, just click continue when you are done setting it up. After you click the continue, it will ask you again some questions. Just answer it correctly or based on most of you preferred. After that, it will show you that you're all set after you're done on the questions. And if you reach here, just customize based on what you most prefer, then after you are done, just click publish and you are all set. That's all for me. Hope you learned something new somehow in this video, but that's it for me. Thank you.